Alright, so SwiftUI has another modifier for text formatting. Basically, this one is to set the baseline offset. So let's go ahead and take a look at an example of what baseline modifier does. Okay, so I'm going to have a text. Alright, let's give it a font large title. We're going to add another font to this, or add another text to this. Okay, and now we are going to, okay, that's perfect. Now we're going to see how we can apply the baseline offset. Okay, so baseline offset is basically putting, like, applying offset to move the text from the baseline. All right, what do I mean by that? So let's start with baseline offset on learn by example. Now this is a CG float value and it can go positive, so your text goes up, right, like that, or it can go negative, so your text goes down. So given on the effect that you're trying to achieve, you can set the offset using this baseline offset modifier. By default, the text is aligned on the same text baseline, right? But if you want to change that, once again, you can make it however you want to make it. I mean, this can even work for your logos and stuff, like, let's see, we can apply the foreground color, and there we go. And like, I mean, this can be part of the branding that I would display. Tap key learn by example, or like, if you want to display a degree symbol that you have created on your own, well, you can actually display that, like, using this baseline offset. So yeah, so that's actually another modifier to format your text and text views.